Hey guys, it's Allie with Dilly Dally with Allie. Today I'm going to show you how to make yogurt at home. Whole milk yogurt. And I don't know about you, but I go through so much yogurt having 3 kids. So I'm sick of buying 3 containers every single time I go to the store. So I just want to have a whole bunch. So the first step, you pour 1 gallon of whole milk into your Instant Pot. Press the yogurt button until it says boil. Make sure you leave the lid off at this point. It's boiling the milk and you want the internal temperature to be 180 degrees. This just went in, so it's only like it's way too cold. So it's been about 30 minutes now and I keep checking the temperature and I keep skimming off this stuff. So and your goal is to get it to 180 degrees. Alright, so my Instant Pot is beeping and it's time to let the milk cool. So I removed it from this and put it here to cool. So your temperature should reach 110 degrees. See, I just keep skimming all of this off, but it should reach 110 degrees. It just got out, so we're gonna get this out of there. Milk has been cooling on the counter. And it reached to 110 degrees to 115 degrees. You're going to want to put that back into the Instant Pot. Push the yogurt button, set it between 8 to 10 hours, then you let it sit. I did 9 hours just to be in the middle. So now it's been 9 hours, and make sure you do this if you're home all day because it has taken literally all day. So I'm going to take the lid off, and you're going to take it out of this, put cling wrap over it, put it in the fridge for at least 4 hours. I'm going to do it all overnight, and I'll see you in the morning. So do not, the whole time it's in incubation, between the 8 and 10 hours, do not open that lid. It needs to stay warm. But look at this. It looks like it did pretty good because it's pretty thick. Alright, so my husband is my taste tester. Is that what it's called?
I think.
Okay, so I'm going to make him try this just because I'm curious. There's a baby spoon. Does it taste like yogurt?
It actually does.
The texture?
Really does. It actually does, yeah.
Okay.
It's strange, but...
This is my first time making yogurt, so I'm very excited because look at all of that yogurt. It's literally a gallon of yogurt for $4 or however much your gallon of milk costs. That's all it was whole milk. I'm excited. Hey, it's officially morning, and I took this out of the fridge this morning. Look at that. Yogurt, my own yogurt. It's chilled, and it's ready to be in a container. So, my husband tried it last night. He liked it. He said it tasted just like yogurt. I tried it. It tastes just like yogurt. It is not sweet because I didn't add any sweetener to it. I want it to be, as healthy as possible. But I do want to tell you guys, if you make this, it's 1 gallon of milk and it's 2 tablespoons. I used Chobani Greek yogurt. I don't know if different yogurts, I'm assuming it would make it taste different, but I used 2 tablespoons of, it was vanilla Greek yogurt. And it made this. So we're gonna dump it into my container. I was gonna fill each mason jar separately and kind of make like a self-serve type yogurt for my kids, but I think we go through so much yogurt that I'm not even going to fill the mason jars up because I just want to see how this does. So do not stir it like yesterday. Do not stir it or anything. It just needs to be taken out of the Instant Pot, right into your fridge for 4 hours. I did it overnight, so I did about 12 hours. So just to chill it. So I'm gonna get a spoon. All right, and I'm gonna stir it. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's amazing. I'm so excited. This is my first time making yogurt, so it worked out really good. Look at that yogurt. Look at that. That's amazing. That is so much yogurt for 1 gallon of milk. Why are we buying it store-bought? Look at this. I'm just so excited. I hope you're as excited as I am because this is amazing. My wallet's gonna thank me. My kids are gonna thank me. That is unlimited amounts of yogurt for 1 gallon of milk. So let me know if you try it because that is super easy. Remember, 1 gallon of milk in the Instant Pot, yogurt button, follow the steps that I showed you in my video, and you got, look at all that yogurt. That's a big container. That's amazing. That is so amazing. I'm just so excited. I'm just so excited. But let me tell you something, and make sure you do this. You have to keep 2 tablespoons out of this. This is the other cool part about making yogurt at home. And I'm so excited. I was telling my husband about it all night last night because I'm so excited about this. All right, 2 tablespoons out of this this would be like a starter. So you take 2 tablespoons out of this next week, because this should last about 10 days in your fridge. Take 2 tablespoons of this starter. Once like the 10 days are up, or if you didn't go through all of it, save some of that. Then you need 1 gallon of milk again, and the whole process starts all over again. So this is the gift that keeps on giving, guys. You keep having yogurt, unlimited yogurt. So thank me later, whatever you gotta do, but you're welcome. All right, thanks for watching. I'm Allie at Dilly Dally with Allie. Bye.